Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Decor Tricks channel. A modern bathroom has become more than a place for daily routines. It's turning into a quiet retreat where simplicity, comfort, and style come together. Many people are now focusing on clean layouts, calming colors, and practical upgrades that make the space feel open and refreshing. This video explores the latest ideas that help transform any bathroom, whether it's a compact space or a full remodel project. From thoughtful lighting to smart storage and fresh material choices, each element can elevate the room in a subtle but meaningful way. These ideas are easy to adapt to different tastes and bathroom sizes, giving the space a modern, relaxing atmosphere that feels enjoyable every single day. Modern bathrooms are leaning towards simple shapes and uncluttered layouts that make the space feel calm and effortless. Clean lines create a sense of order, allowing the eye to move smoothly across the room without distractions. Floating vanities and wall-mounted fixtures help open up the floor, making even smaller bathrooms look more spacious. The focus is on thoughtful design where every element has a purpose. By keeping surfaces clear and choosing streamlined forms, the bathroom gains a polished, modern look that feels both practical and relaxing. Neutral colors continue to shape modern bathroom design because they create a calm and welcoming atmosphere. Soft shades like warm grays, light beige, off-white, and sandy tones make the room feel open and balanced. Adding natural elements such as wood textures, stone finishes, or matte surfaces brings a gentle warmth that keeps the space from feeling cold or clinical. These colors blend easily with different design styles, whether the bathroom is minimal, elegant, or nature-inspired. The result is a soothing environment that feels clean, modern, and effortlessly timeless. Modern bathrooms are embracing tiles that do more than just cover the walls. Large format tiles give the room a smooth, continuous look with fewer grout lines, making the space feel more refined. Textured tiles add depth and character, creating a subtle visual accent without overwhelming the room. Soft geometric patterns, ribbed surfaces, or gentle 3D designs can highlight a shower area or frame a vanity wall beautifully. These choices bring a fresh, artistic touch while keeping the overall design clean and modern. Clear glass shower enclosures are a key feature in modern bathroom design because they keep the space feeling open and uncluttered. The frameless look removes heavy lines and bulky borders, allowing the eye to move freely across the room. This instantly makes the bathroom appear larger and highlights any beautiful tile work inside the shower. Minimal hardware and clean edges add a sleek, polished finish that feels simple yet sophisticated. Whether the bathroom is compact or spacious, clear glass helps create a fresh, airy atmosphere that blends perfectly with contemporary styling. Lighting plays a huge role in shaping the atmosphere of a modern bathroom. Instead of relying on a single light source, using multiple layers creates a softer, more balanced feel. Ambient lighting sets the overall mood, while task lighting around the mirror improves clarity for everyday routines. Subtle additions like LED strips under the vanity or behind the mirror add a gentle glow that feels clean and contemporary. The goal is to create lighting that enhances the space without being harsh, giving the bathroom a warm, relaxing presence that works beautifully day or night. Freestanding bathtubs bring a sculptural elegance to the bathroom, instantly becoming a calming focal point. Their smooth curves and clean shapes create a sense of luxury without feeling overwhelming. Placed in an open area, a freestanding tub allows the room to breathe and adds a spa-like presence that feels relaxing and inviting. Whether the design is oval, rectangular, or slightly asymmetrical, the tub adds personality while maintaining a minimalist look. Even with simple surroundings, this feature alone can elevate the entire space and make everyday routines feel more peaceful and refined. Modern bathrooms benefit greatly from smart storage that keeps the space looking clean and uncluttered. Built-in niches, floating shelves, and hidden cabinets help organize everyday items without taking up extra room. Drawer dividers and recessed compartments make it easy to keep essentials neatly arranged, reducing visual mess and improving the overall flow of the space. These solutions work well in both small and large bathrooms, allowing the design to stay minimal while still being highly functional. When everything has its place, the bathroom feels more open, tidy, and effortlessly modern. Vanities and sinks play a major role in shaping the overall look of a modern bathroom. Sleek designs with slim profiles, clean edges, and smooth finishes help create a refined, contemporary feel. Floating vanities bring a lighter look and make the floor space appear more open, while wood accents or fluted detailing add warmth and texture. Both vessel sinks and integrated sinks offer modern appeal, each bringing its own personality to the room. Simple hardware and well-chosen faucet styles complete the look, giving the bathroom a balanced mix of practicality and style. Incorporating smart technology into bathroom design adds convenience and a touch of luxury without sacrificing simplicity. Features like touch-activated mirrors with built-in lighting and anti-fog functions make daily routines easier. Smart toilets and thermostatic showers provide comfort and precision control, while heated floors offer cozy warmth during colder months. These upgrades blend seamlessly into the clean, modern aesthetic, enhancing the user experience without drawing too much attention. Thoughtful technology makes the bathroom not only stylish but also more functional and enjoyable to use every day. Bringing natural materials into the bathroom creates a calming, grounded atmosphere that balances modern design with warmth. Stone countertops, wooden accents, and textured tiles add subtle layers of interest without overwhelming the space. These elements connect the bathroom to nature, making it feel like a peaceful retreat. Soft, tactile surfaces invite touch and comfort, while natural textures work well with a wide range of color palettes and styles. Integrating these materials helps create a timeless space that feels both fresh and inviting, perfect for relaxing moments. Sometimes, it's the smaller details that bring a bathroom's design together. Decorative mirrors with interesting shapes, matte black or brushed brass fixtures, and simple, elegant accessories add personality without clutter. Adding a few indoor plants or soft textiles like plush towels can create a fresh, calming vibe that makes the space feel welcoming. Even minor updates like swapping out hardware or adding modern wall art can dramatically refresh the look without a full remodel. These thoughtful touches blend style and comfort, making any bathroom feel complete and inviting. Bringing together the latest modern bathroom design trends and smart remodel ideas allows you to create a space that's not only beautiful but also functional and inviting. Whether it's embracing clean lines, layering soft lighting, or adding natural textures, every detail plays a part in crafting a bathroom that feels like a personal sanctuary. Thoughtful storage solutions and subtle technology upgrades make daily routines easier, while statement pieces like freestanding tubs and textured tiles add character without overwhelming simplicity. Remember, the best bathroom designs balance style with comfort, adapting to your needs and preferences. By applying these ideas, you can transform your bathroom into a timeless retreat that suits any lifestyle. Keep exploring, experimenting, and making your space uniquely yours. For more inspiring design tips and ideas, stay connected with Decor Tricks, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.